This is the MAX HD-50F stapler. It's a half strip stapler. Clip holds half strip, 105 staple strip. This is built by MAX staplers. They build things to last, made out of high impact plastic. These staplers use something called flat-clinch technology, which means when you staple it on the back side of the papers, it clinches the staple completely flat against the paper. It reduces your space for filing and paper stacks by up to 25%. Any of you that do any stapling on a regular basis know that when you have a stack of papers that have been stapled with a normal stapler, the left hand corner will rise way up and will make your stacks and papers not stack evenly. But the MAX stapler greatly reduces that that corner from rising up high and making your papers uneven, and thus reducing, the amount of space it takes up in a filing cabinet. I'm going to show you real quick how easy this stapler is to use. This half strip stapler is for the desktop, but because MAX makes such an excellent stapler, you can actually hold it in your hand and staple around sheets of paper with no problem. So watch this. This is the MAX HD-50F stapler. Staples up to 23 pages at a time, and MAX has actually rigorously tested that, so that's why the odd number there. They've tested it out that it will consistently staple 23 pages with no problems. Like I said before, it does have the flat clinch technology. This stapler itself is the reason I started It Works Office Products. It's an excellent product. It's a tool that performs well for any kind of office environment, any area of life where you're needing to use a stapler somewhat often and you don't want to have to deal with the frustration of pulling mangled staples out of paperwork or having to reprint paperwork because your stapler destroyed your document. This is the MAX HD-50F. It's available at It Works Office Products.